Hey, TikTok enthusiasts! Welcome back to the channel. If you've been cruising through TikTok and stumbled upon the mysterious acronym POV, don't worry, we've got your back. In today's video, we're diving deep into the meaning of POV on TikTok. So grab your favorite snack, hit that like button, and let's unravel this trend together. TikTok, the epicenter of short-form videos with a whopping billion active users, constantly introduces new trends. Among them is the use of the POV. But what does it mean? POV stands for point of view, and it's not just a random set of letters. It's a storytelling tool used by creators to signify that the content being shared is from a specific person's perspective. Picture this. You're scrolling through TikTok, and you come across a video labeled with POV, followed by a line that sets the scene. It could be someone pretending to be a character in a movie or sharing personal thoughts on a particular topic. For instance, the POV, "You are experiencing snowfall with me." These POV videos have become a creative format for content creators to establish a deeper connection with their audience by sharing personal experiences and thoughts. But is POV slang on TikTok? No, it's a legit acronym for a point of view. Social media is a landscape filled with acronyms, and they're a crucial part of the TikTok and Gen Z culture. If you're new to TikTok, you might encounter more of these acronyms, like FYP, For You page, IRL, in real life, and TFW, that feeling when. Now, before we wrap up, let's talk about social media acronyms. These are shortened forms of words or phrases commonly used on platforms like Twitter and TikTok. They serve a vital role in saving time when typing and conveying messages quickly, especially with character or video length restrictions. And speaking of acronyms, besides POV, you've probably seen FYP, standing for You page. It's where you discover new content based on your activity. Then there's IRL, meaning in real life, used to differentiate online happenings from real-life events. Lastly, TFW, or that feeling when, captures specific feelings or emotions users want to convey. So there you have it. POV on TikTok is a tool creators use to indicate a specific point of view or perspective in their content. Now that you're in the know, keep an eye out for more acronyms as you navigate the vast world of TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more TikTok insights. Happy scrolling!